Hi there, Matt Hopkins here with Ideal Products, and today we want to share with you one of our custom size Ideal 2000 Model A single tier lockers. This particular single tier locker is 24 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 72 inches tall. On the interior, you have a hat shelf, a shoe shelf with an inside drawer, inside shoe cubbies, a nickel-plated coat rod, and a double-pronged coat hook. You've got European concealed hinges, 4 per this door, and matching PVC edging. For the lock, you have a keyed cam lock. And the color is Formica graphite. That's our Ideal 2000 Model A, 242472. Thanks for watching our video.